All right, guys, the sound's on. Is the mic on? Let's check. The mic's on. I was running a bit late, even pressing all the buttons. I was scoffing my food, my breakfast this morning. I'm still chewing it up right now. Right, let me just get Trading View loaded up. All right, who's trading right now? Who's trading with us today, guys, this morning? Who trades the London session out of whoever's joined us right now? All right, man. That was like fast. I had to like just scoff my food real quick. Now let me get back in the momentum of things. Let me figure out. Oh my God. Look what happened again last night. That's mental. Yesterday, so this is the big massive look. We've just been on a massive uptrend. Price pushed up. Changing character to the upside. Retrace a little bit, and then we had a massive push up the day before yesterday. No, early hours of the morning yesterday, and then last night. Yeah, well, yesterday, New York session, it pushed up again. Then last night has just been chopping around. So Asian sessions just been chopping around, doing nothing. All right, so we know where we are. Let's clean the charts a little bit because it looks a bit messy. There's the drawings being removed. Wow, that's an absolute chop. The price has been horrible last night as well. Jose and Karina, CHIB USD AI, where it's right now. King Forex, you gotta go, man, because we don't like fucking signals. AI is really where it's right now. Keep going up, made up, make money. Not quite sure what you're talking about there, so I don't know if you're like selling some sort of signal or what you're talking about, to be honest with you. Guys, who's with us right now? Who's trading with us right now? Who's in the chop in the Asian session? The shitty Asian sessions in chopping up. Oh man, price actions terrible. Yesterday London session price action was absolutely shit. Let's have a look at what happened later on in the day. The price action actually started off like this throughout London session in the daytime. So that is definitely shit price action. I don't care what anyone says. There's a few people that came on yesterday and then they were telling, waiting for New York. Gianshi, yeah man, trust me, we have to. Might get some moves later on today, but or in the London session, but we just gotta wait and see what price does. I just have to wait and sit around till something actually shows up to me so I can take a trade, some sort of setup. But yeah, this is yesterday's price action. Absolutely choppy. Someone said to me, yeah, it's not the price action. The price action's good. And 2 hours later, he told me he's in a 2k loss, and I was like, well, you're not experienced as you're fucking saying. If you're saying price action is good and then getting a 2k loss when clearly price action was absolutely shit. Sayasi, thank you very much for following, Sayasi. And then price just absolutely flew. So let's have a look at what happened. Price pushed up, pushed down. That was just a clear fake out. It respected this area here. What am I saying? Yeah, this price pushed down, pushed up. Some people would have took a sell here. They would have caught a small bit, but then price still faked out and pushed up, respecting this area here. So remember, guys, when you're in a all-time highs that is just pushing off, try not to look for sells and just keep going with the trend. Just find a nice entry to go with the trend. Don't look for reversals when we're at all-time highs. Not straight away anyway. Not till you get some sort of confluence that, okay, now price is going down. Because this looked like price was pushing down, retraced a little bit here, price pushed down, retraced. Back in this area here, price pushed down. But then it broke structure to the upside again. Then there was a retracement. And then price flew. Again, this was last night. That's absolutely crazy. Then New York session just chopped around yesterday. End of New York session. Early New York session, it flew. So let's have a look at what Asian session did last night. Horrible price action. Okay, so price is just chopping sideways, push down. So here you'd think there was an actual sell-off, but price just kept pushing sideways. That's disgusting price action. I sneezed there, guys, sorry. Yeah, good morning, Leroy. How's it going? You taking any trades this morning? You seen anything in this horrible choppy? Oh my god. Yeah, so that is it. That's what's been happening, guys. That's what's been happening. So if the 1 minute's looking like this, let's see what the 5 minute was looking like. Yeah, that's horrible. That's no entry for me right now. So I just have to sit and wait and chat to you guys and see what's going on. So who's live with us right now, who's trading London sessions right now, and who's actually just waiting for a setup? It's a bit dead, isn't it? Just sit and wait. I did my consistency this morning. Good, haha. What do you think? No fucking way. Yeah, man. No trade. I've literally taken a trade this morning because I was on consistency. Made $11, and that's me done for today because I'm on consistency. I can't actually make any more money. Otherwise, if I lose some, then I'll go backwards, and then I have to do more days of trading to pass my challenge. So I'm currently in the past phase right now. So tomorrow we're back funded again, guys. Good morning, A7 Medinho. You made it, bro. Do you know how long it's been? Finally. And don't trade right now, Medinho. Don't trade anytime soon neither, because price action is absolutely shit right now. There will be some sort of news event. Let's have a look. No news event today. Unless they just drop a random news. There's literally just orange folders right now. And tomorrow we got red folder news event. Thursday we've got red folder news events. But today we're totally fine. We're fine for trading today. A7. I'm just waiting. Leroy, trade New York yesterday. No, I didn't trade. I was in consistency, so I just didn't bother trading. I watched it though. I seen the price fly up. Movies official. If I'm on Forex, I love to trade. 1 second. Let me just get this out of the way. We'll go back and look at Forex Factory in a minute. So here's some of the pairs that I like. So if I'm on Forex, I like USD JPY. That's one of my favorites. I don't know why. Don't ask me why. And I like Euro USD. And I hate GBP USD. Because GBP USD is where I lost like loads of my money when I started trading. I like XAU USD. I like them pairs. That's if I'm trading Forex and currency pairs. And then if I'm on the futures market, I just trade Nasdaq, S&P 500 and gold. Oh yeah, and if I'm in the CFD space, I'll trade German 40 as well, because I like German 40. I just like the way it moves. What about you, Movies Official? What pairs do you trade and how long have you been trading? What do you mean you can't gold trade? We do on the futures market. We can trade gold, yeah. As you can see here, this is gold right now. It's moving a lot better than Nasdaq, but price is still chopping slightly. Don't like the way the candles are moving at the moment. Look, finally had some sort of. Oh, MNQ. Price is doing. A7 Medino, what did I miss? Yo, you missed just normal days, normal chats, normal trading sessions. Still no Discord, right? No, A7 Medino. How can we put a Discord up without you? We had to wait for you to get back here to get the Discord up and running. Tomorrow the Discord will be up and running. What's the day today? Wednesday? Is it Tuesday? Tuesday today? Yeah, Wednesday tomorrow, 17th. We'll have the Discord up and running. Leroy, yeah, it was nice. Take trades with my personal account too. Oh, wicked, bro. Did you take the New York session yesterday, Leroy? A7 Medino. Leroy, financial advice. A7 Medino, Leroy, I'll copy all your trades. Your market maker. You be saying tomorrow for the last 3 weeks. Bro, you didn't turn up for the last 2 weeks. We were like, if A7 Medina don't turn up, this Discord can't go up. And now we know that A7 Medina is back in the house. I'll actually get the Discord sent on live tomorrow. It's live right now, actually. I just need to send the link out. But I need the verification set up, which is going to get done today. So, yeah, we need phone verification and email because I don't really want spammers and signal sellers on there. So, yeah, we'll definitely have it up and running tomorrow. Yeah, I don't trade in this type of price action. Don't matter what's happening with the candles. I don't like it. I missed last week. It doesn't show you live. Yeah, I don't know what TikTok was doing. It's not showing my live to a lot of people. Not quite sure why. But then again, a lot of people have started joining as well. So I don't know what TikTok's doing or if it's trying to like just test the waters and get new audience in. I have no idea. Did you make some money on the New York session, A7 Medi? I meant Leroy. The New York session. You make some money on that. Yeah, and the lagging as well. Last week it was lagging as well, so that's strange. Movies official. What are you trading? What pairs do you trade? Yo, YouTube, we got 3 concurrent viewers. So whoever's on YouTube right now, if you could just drop me a message so I can make sure that the chat is actually working properly. And make sure you hit the subscribe button because we need this YouTube subscribers to grow big. Yo, G, Mo Shah in the building. Mo Shah, we ain't seen you for a whole week neither. Where have you been? You've been hiding with A7 Medinho. It was a nice little 4.7k, but a nice little, bro. You're part of the big boys now. That's not nice little. That's like fucking amazing. You know how many people would be crying to make that type of money right now? It's all about just discipline. You reckon something like that would possibly work? I'm not saying I'm taking the trade. I'm just having a look because it's very choppy. And to be fair, price has reacted from this area where price has reacted from this area where this line is. Price has reacted from that area many times. So choppy. Leroy people monthly paycheck. A7 Medinho. I'm one of those people. Don't worry, Medinho, you'll get there, man. It takes like patience in the market. Lol cakes, are you even gonna bother taking a trade today right now? Absolute horrible market. Morning, Danny. Charts are looking awful recently. Yeah, the past 2 days. Oh, I've not enjoyed it. I've not liked them at all. Yeah, TikTok just does some weird shit all the time. I'm not trading right now, bro. Lots of news. Yeah, I'm not trading as well. It's horrible. A7 Medinho will come there also, bro. Leroy, my trading is going very well at the moment. Learn pays off. Yo, trust me, man. Just like learning and the experience on the charts, it takes you a long way. Hopefully it moves somewhere. Lol cakes, yes. I'll wait for my New York. Ooh, 1 second, guys. Yeah, sorry guys, got a phone call. I'll wait for an NY session, but I'm making like 10 to 20 points and I'm out. 7 Medina at Leroy. I hope just control my emotions sometimes, otherwise I'm good. It's all about that, man. Emotions and psychology. Do you stream anywhere else? Yeah, lol cakes, I'm streaming currently right now. I'm doing YouTube. So it's on the YouTube Shorts platform and the YouTube main big screen. So I'll just give you a little preview of what it looks like. So on YouTube, it's this screen, so exactly what you can see on TikTok. And then that's the vertical screen, and then I've got the horizontal as well, so you can see like the whole everything. So you can see the whole screen, and then I'm in the bottom left hand corner here, and I'm just waiting for some promotions so I can just add some promotions everywhere. Yeah, so they're the other platforms I'm streaming on, and I want to start streaming on other platforms, like maybe just say Instagram and whatever there is. But what's your YouTube handle, bro? My YouTube handle is FX Trader 2024, and I'll just put the link up if you just bear with me one moment. We're having a bigger push to the upside, which has inversed this fair value gap. So let's see if it continues. There you go. A7 Medina touched my level and went back up. Lol cakes, what's YouTube handle? FX Trader, and you're now on futures. Love it. Yes, man. I will be going back to FX. But for now, I think futures is just a nice space. It's a sweet spot with the prop firms. I'm enjoying the prop firms right now on YouTube. Sharjil Minas, yes, my guy. Lol cakes here. Oh yes, my guy, how you doing? Is that your name, Sharj? Sharj with the 50 Apex accounts. Kill it. Yeah, that's my name. Oh, nice to meet you, Sharj. Thank you for coming onto YouTube. Which YouTube handle are on? Which YouTube video are you on? Are you on the bigger screen, or are you on the same YouTube TikTok style screen, vertical? I'll be chatting on here just easy when I'm on my PC to type and shit. Yeah, trust me, man. It's just so much easier from the PC. Carly Vale, 1 day away from payout on my 2 accounts. Come on, Carly Vale, you got this. You got this. You best be getting a payout. 1 day away from payout on my 2 accounts. 2 accounts, girl. I like it. It's like TikTok style. How do I have the full view screen? So that if you go on my channel, 1 second, I'll see if I can just send you the link. But 1 second, I'll see if I. 1 second. So maybe that should be it. But if you go on the main channel, just hit subscribe or something, and then you should be able to get the links if you click on live or my videos or something like that, or my homepage. Both would show up. Yeah, so it's this second link that I've just posted. Yeah, I'm on the full screen one. It's good. Oh, okay, wicked. Yeah, is that so much better on the full screen then? Leroy saying hell yeah. Yeah, it looks good. Can see the whole graph of just pure trading range. Yeah. Yeah, sometimes it's better. Sometimes I like to see the whole screen rather than just a little bit. I should be changing it around soon. I want to like start getting some promotions and stuff and some discounts, and then I'll upload them up on the main screen. I'm getting a lot of brokers contacting me right now to team up with them, but then because they're offshore brokers, their reviews ain't that good on Trustpilot. Who's trading future? Liking your live. A7 Medina says, who's trading future liking your live? I don't know. They love it. Trading future. Oh, trading futures liking your live. There's two here, right? Liking the lives now. We got day trader and trading futures. God, bro, honestly, I did fairly comprehensive comparison of prop firms, and you gotta get on Tradify. Do you know Tradify? I think I asked you before. Is Tradify got a trailing drawdown? No, it's end of day. Okay, EOD. Okay. So yeah, so if I go into Tradify, yeah. And I click on add account. See, I've never ever actually got a Tradify account. This is just a brand new page. If I go to add account, then I do which accounts would you go for? Lightning, funded, which is the more expensive one, growth, or select? Yeah, I did ask you before. Yeah, I did. I asked you last week. It's a standard 2k drawdown on the 50k accounts. Same like everywhere else. It's end of day though. Okay. What about once you've passed? Is there a consistency? Yeah, there's 40% consistency, but is this 40% consistency in the challenge phase? Lightning is straight funded. Yes, Lightning is straight funded. Yeah. Are you select? Okay, A7 Medina is on Tradify as well. I'd recommend a select, bro, because once you're a live trader with them, they give you very good rewards. Oh, wicked. I'm gonna have to try this out. 40% consistency during evals, and once you pass on select, zero consistency. Yo, I kind of like that. Because take profit trader is 50%, so 40% is not much of a big difference. If your profit target, what's the profit target? It's 3,000. Yeah, so 40% ain't much of a difference. And they are cheaper than TPT, bro, too. Yes, that's right. But I'm trying to think, like, on payouts, is it same day? Can you get payout on the... Is it daily payouts? Or what's the payout cycle like? Doesn't actually tell you anything here, does it? %. I just do 1.2k then 800 day. Yeah, wicked. Go to growth. Nah, I don't want to do growth. I'd rather just do the challenge, and then, because if I blow a growth, then I've just blowed lots of money. Bro, their payouts are so fast. I took a payout on Wednesday. Money was in my account before 12. Oh, wicked. Is there payouts once a week though? Every 5 days or something like that? Oh, they have daily. Oh, wicked. Mari says they have daily. Lucid have, I think, account with no con and no buffer. So yeah, do you have to create a buffer on this? That was my next question. On Tradeify, do you have to create a buffer before you can get a payout? So there are two different types of accounts in Select. You can get a daily payout like TPT, hit the 50 to 100, and then 1k payouts daily if you hit the target. Okay. The 5 days Select is 5 days of $150 profit, and you can take 50% of what. See, that's what I don't like. I don't like the fact that if you make $150 a day or more, you can only take out 50% of your profits. Obviously, because it's leaving a buffer in there, so it kind of makes sense. It's kind of exactly the same. So like, either you make the buffer and then you take out your profits on top of the buffer, or you do 150 a day. Oh, you got to be careful, Leroy. You got to be careful. Don't drive with a big trading screen in your hand. Yeah, so it kind of makes sense. Buffer or no buffer. 50%, but max payout is 3k. Yeah, that's nice. So if you can make 6k in one day, then 150, 150, 150, 150, you can take out the 3k after 5 days. That's the thing. How difficult would it be to make that 6 day in one day unless you're over leveraging? That would be the only other issue. Look at prices just shot up. But even then, price shoots up by not retracing nicely. So this area here now, I would say, would be a zone. Like if price tapped back into this area here and then continued pushing up, I think that would be a good area for a trade, depending on what price is moving like. If it looks like it's just swept something at the top, which it can't because it's all-time highs. You know, if I had a nice, if the price was moving nice, I would like to look for something like that. But we'll have to see when price comes back into that area to see what it's doing, because right now price has just continuously just pushed up fast with good momentum. Yeah, this might be a long now, bro. News just hit. What news event were you looking at? Oh, the BOJ statement. Damn, if I took that long on my level. Did you? Okay, 1 second. So that news, no, this news was 4 hours ago, the statement monetary one. This was the Japanese news. That was Japanese. That's the 7:30. So what news event are you talking about? Because I can't actually see any news events for today that are heavily gonna move the markets. Leroy in the house. Leroy, we're gonna get that fucking Discord up tomorrow, yeah? And then I'm gonna slowly start sending the link out to people. Like, I'll get everyone, whoever wants to join, they can DM me before they join so I can send them the link, rather than just putting the link out there and letting everybody and anybody just randomly join and people start spamming it. I think it was just small news. Okay. Yeah, Discord would be nice. Yeah, that'll be good. I'll have it on. I'll put it on tomorrow. Leroy saying nice. Yeah, Discord will be good. So I was just doing some practice stuff on the Discord yesterday. I'm just trying to like nice it up. And make it legit. So that when anybody signs up, what they do, they get the welcome to the rules area first. So they're not allowed to do any of this bullshit, otherwise they get blocked. So the rules are there straight away. So you get the rules section. And then yesterday I was just testing the announcements. So I was put this up for the announcements regarding the contract changes. Please take note of updated September future contracts for the US equity index. I'll put this up, even though there's no one in the group that's going to read it right now. But because the index is changing on the 18th of June, if I do get people to join in tomorrow, they'll be able to see it. So that's one of the announcements. That's the first announcement I put on. So guys, remember 18th of June, contracts are changing. So you might want to take a screenshot of this because they're all the contracts. But you can get it all from the CME group website anyway. So yeah, it's gonna be good. I need to get a lot of the contract. I need to get a lot of prop firms in contact with the prop firms and see if I can start getting discounts for everybody. You should start taking trades in the live so more people will join. Taking trades in the live, like taking trades on the live right now. Because the thing is, you can only take a trade when the trade comes. You can't just take the trade, innit? Like, yeah, E7 Mercedes said, yeah, I know, man. But the thing is, I can do it, but then it would be, I'd be scalping like on the very, very low time frame. So probably even going into the seconds, just keeping it exciting. But I'm an intraday trader, but that's not a bad idea, A7 Medina. Just taking like loads of trades throughout the whole live. But then I like to like intraday trade, so then I'll be missing my trades as well. So I've rolled mine over. Yeah, I've rolled mine over as well, charge, because I thought there's no point. Everyone had already moved on, so price was moving shit yesterday. And my price was at a different price to the new contract. And everyone kept saying to me, why is your price so low compared to ours? And then Leroy had mentioned the contracts, and the contracts have gone right over my head. John, good morning, brother. How you doing, John? Are you trading today? So yeah, A7 Medina, I do take trades. But I don't take like any random trades. I have to wait for a proper setup to show up and then I take the trade. And then it's like, because I'm only on live for like an hour and a half, 2 hours, it's like how many trades will show up within that time. I'm all good, man. How are you? Yes, I'm good this side as well. We are all good here over in the UK. What part of the country are you from? I'm in Longs from Asian Low. Wow. Wow, let's have a look at that. So you're in longs from right down here. From literally where your little double bottom was. Price pushed up, retraced. This was a good area for an entry. This was actually a perfect area for an entry. I like that. Then price chopped and then just broke out. Then it broke out. Yeah, so possible chance that it may continue, but all depends on this area here. Is it going to react from that same area and then go down, or because candles are moving quite fast to that area? So yeah, we ain't really got nothing much left to look on, so we just got to wait. I'm all good, man. Yes, sir. I'm from Manchester. Yes, yes, Manchester. Manchester in the house. I'm aiming for yesterday's highs. So you're aiming for literally this area here. That's very possible. Either hit that and go right past it, or it'll hit that and possibly reverse, but it depends what it does when it gets to that area. But yeah, you definitely should be getting there. I'm in a long now too, bro. Wish me luck. Bought quite high, but some decent volume. But what area did you buy? I hope you bought literally right down here. I hope you didn't buy from right up here. But then again, it's all down to your game plan, isn't it? If that works for you, then that's good. What price did you buy at, Shaj? I'm in 38.60, bro. So up some good points. Wow. Already on the NQ targeting 1.4. Then I'm out. Well done. 38.60. Thank you very much, John. Thank you very much for following. 38.60. So you're from there. What are you targeting for a 124? Akel, no. Good morning, Akel. No, I'm not in. I'm currently trading Nasdaq, but I'm not in a trade at the moment, Akel. Mick R8 Yellow, yo yo yo. Mick R8 Yellow in the house. How you doing, brother? Akel, I'm in a short. Where did you take your short, Akel? What price did you take short at? Zane 7866. Do you trade good gold? Yes, we do trade gold, bro. Was hoping to hit 3093. You probably will in a second. Oh. Bear with me, guys. I'm just gonna go put my stuff away. Charge looks like he's still in it at the moment. Guys, I'm going to be back in a moment. Bear with me. 15 points away from my take profit. Akal, you're cooked off my Kerry Prudent Taylor. Akal, you're cooked off my Arsehole Gambling, I see. 844. Yeah, Akal, just a quick question. I just wanted to ask, what made you take a sell at the top here? Charge price might stall at 3,900 though, so may get out there. Sell to Asia lows. Yo, Danny, Rai, how you doing? Dexter, how you doing? But yeah, I'm definitely going to look at these TradeFi accounts. Akal, bookmap orders. Okay. You're doing bookmap orders. Bookmap just, it's like a heat map, isn't it? So it just gives you like bubbles of where there's a lot of sell orders and there's a lot of buy orders and a lot of sell limits, buy limits. Right, boycotted Top Step. Need a new prop firm. Any ideas? Top Step really pissed me off. But yeah, I'm not. I'd still use them. But they just really fucking pissed me off after I spent a lot of money with them. Boycotted Top Step. Yeah, so who are you looking at now? Look at Alpha Futures. If you want something close to Top Step, Alpha Futures is very close to Top Step with their premium accounts. I got a 10% discount code in my link in the bio, or if you're on YouTube, link in description for Top Step. So just make sure you put that discount code in though. I think I missed my move on London. You think it's worth to wake up for New York? Of course you can. It's always worth to wake up for New York. A7 Medino. There's literally nearly always a trade that you can catch, but you just have to have patience and wait for it. Akal, yes, nice one. Cavaldi Chuna. Man, what exact strategy and how can I learn from you? You can learn from me. It depends on how long have you been trading for already, and what level of trader are you, like how much have you learned and how long have you been trading so far. Akal, I took the short at 884, so how was I cooked? So Akal is responding to where's he gone? Kerry. Akal is responding to Kerry. She's saying, you are my cook, man. I'm gonna sort you out. Come back, Kerry. You need to come back and chat now. Akal's gonna sort you out. John, have you traded with Apex? Yes, I have traded with Apex, yes. And I'm going to be getting more Apex accounts because I kind of liked it. Before, do you know, the only reason up until now I never used to trade with Apex, and I only have recently because Leroy has. I never used to like their website. So just because of that, I didn't bother reading any into their rules or anything. I just didn't like the website, so I didn't fucking ever sign up with them to get Apex accounts. But now I know I use Tradeovate and all the rest of it. So as long as it aligns with Tradeovate, I can copy trade my accounts, I'm totally fine. So yeah, I do use Apex now. Have you traded with Apex? Right, bro, I had a 1500 profit trade, wouldn't let me take it out, complained, and they said it was a tech fault. Oh yes, they can do that sometimes. That happens with quite a lot of prop firms, to be fair. I know when there's some major news events or there's big news trade days, sometimes they don't let the trade close, or they don't let you close the trade no matter how much you're trying to fucking close the trade, and it just doesn't close. That's happened a few times as well, but that's not just with Top Step, that's happened on a few other prop firms as well. John saying, I love Apex. Yeah, I like Apex, the fact that I can just have so many accounts with them, and they're not expensive to buy, so you can still buy the prop firm challenge, and if you know you're going to pass, then you get the trade-avated, and then you get the activated one. And if you know you may not pass, you can just get the other one, so it doesn't have to be activated, which is a good thing as well. Guys, let me just change the battery on my camera, and I'm gonna get back to all the conversations. Inbox me with Cash App, you're gonna have to get blocked. Sorry guys, my camera battery just died. If you just bear with me, I'm just gonna change my camera battery. Soon I have to get a dummy battery for this, because this bastard just wants to die all the time. Akal is still in the trade. Kerry, you're gonna have to have some answering to do, because Akal's still in that trade. Oh, guys, I'm just putting my camera back on so I won't be too long. Da, 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 da. All right, so the camera will be back in 3, 2, 1. Yes, I think that's back. Yep, that's working. Wicked. Oh, where's my chat gone? My chat is here. Okay, so let's have a look. No problems with payout. Yeah, Apex website is kind of bad. Tell me about it. The website used to piss me off so much. Leroy, yes, at the moment 18 accounts on Apex. Oh my god. John, yeah, the website is a bit dated. That's valid. Yeah, that's the only reason I wasn't trading with them, because I didn't really want to buy anything on their account, because I was like, this is just long, bro. But then as soon as you know about all the prop firms, every single website just makes sense anyway. So yeah, activation fee though with the Apex, bro. Yeah, you can buy it with activation. So you could buy the account activated, so you just do the challenges and you don't have to pay for an activation fee. They cost a little bit more, but they're still good price. I just like to see how much the drawdowns is and stuff like that, how much drawdown I can get, daily drawdown, max drawdown, and what my profit targets are, and how many minis and micros I can use. So yeah, Harry, I can't lie, I think I'm cooked in longs at the moment. Not longing good. Not, I was thought you said longing. Yeah, not looking good, you said. Yeah, it depends. It depends. It might just be consolidating and then pushing right back up again. Have you seen the 5 account bundle that Apex have now? Yeah, I've seen that 5 account bundle that Apex have. I bought one 5 account bundle, but I bought the non-activated one, only the $1,500 one, and that was the 1,500 profit target one, so the 25k ones, and it was only $85 or something like that. So I bought it and I tried to just pass the trades in one go, and I just fucking bombed that account out in one trade. So I blew five Apex accounts in one trade. I'm sure there was consistency as well, and I didn't read it. I need to check it again. I think Tradeify have the 5 bundles as well. There's a few of them that are doing 5 bundled accounts, and I'm sure Tradeify is doing it as well now. 87 Medina, funding next is goated, but it's expensive. Yes, it is expensive. I need to go back onto the funded next CFD space sometime soon, and I need to make back some money I lost with them, because I lost about $6,000 or $7,000 with funded next when I first started trading, and then I never really went back to funded next again. I did the same with FTMO, so I need to go back on those and then get my money back in the CFD space, because I just want to get the money back. But I know they do futures as well now, funded next. So yeah, good bro, good day Keo, good day. How are you? Hope you're having a good morning so far, or whatever part of the world you're in. See, look, there you go. Where is he? Harry. There you go. You were in longs. I hope you stayed in your longs, because look, price continued going long. It was just consolidating. There wasn't really a retracement, and it just carried on pushing up again. This fucking markets. This is why I can't take an entry. A7 Medina, where you at right now with your trades? Are you trading right now? John, is this TP incoming? Yes, John, this might be your take profit about to get smashed right now. Let's have a look how far you are from yesterday's highs. Oh, almost neck and neck. Well, you've closed past it. Closed past it, so yeah. So your TP is incoming, bro. Harry, I'm currently in profit. Had me worried there for a second. Harry, you know I'm at all-time highs for TP. Good lad. A7 Medina, no, I think I'm done for London, just watching. Okay. Yeah, that's what you gotta do, man. Sometimes if you don't get your trade, you just gotta watch. But right now, I'm in take profit trader consistency. So let's just give you guys a little sneak preview of what their challenge looks like, if you've not already used it. TikTok started to piss me off. TikTok is really fucking pissing me off. They keep suspending my shit. GIFs are suspended, restricted recommendations, result for 10 minutes due to repeated or prolonged actions that lack sustained engagement. Man, I don't know what you're talking about. They're saying I'm staying away from the screen for a very long time, which I haven't. Wow, thank you very much for all the likes. Do. Right. Maybe because your camera turned off. I'm going to get edged here. I can tell, John. John is going to go very close to your TP and then just... and then just reverse. Probably going to continue pushing back up a little bit. It's probably just faking out for a short while. Then it'll have some chop. So price will go down, push up, go down, push up. But I don't know. Never know what these markets are going to do, really. Yeah, so this is where I'm at with take profit trader at the moment. But this is why I can't actually take a trade. Traded days 4 out of 5. Within the first 3 days, I already had made my profit target, which was $1,500. I'm at $1,555. I've made $10 today just to show that I'm consistent. So that will be the 5th day. And then boom, we are back funded again, guys. But then you got to make your trailing drawdown with take profit trader, which is annoying. But once that's done, you're pretty much there for payouts, daily payouts. Isk, hi, it's Annette Erlington on my real account. Annette Erlington, is nice to meet you. Harry got stopped out at break even, so didn't lose money. Oh, how did you get stopped out at break even? Where did you even enter, bro? I thought you entered round about here somewhere or here somewhere. That's why, guys, you have to make sure you find out when you're trading that you're entering from premium and discounted areas. Don't enter when price goes too high, because then there's a possible chance of a retracement or a reversal before price continues. Or don't enter too low, because price can retrace and then go lower again. So always enter where price pulls back. And quick advice, guys, pullbacks are where the money is at. Just remember that. Entered high, got into the markets late from work. Yeah, that's the thing. Sometimes if you see the market moving and it moves too quick or is moving fast, and you say, okay, now it's pumping, and then you enter, sometimes you've already missed the trade. So don't chase the trade and don't enter. Just wait for something to happen or some sort of confluence to show you that, okay, price has come back down, for you to enter again, or price to push back up. That's when you catch your moves, guys. Don't enter late. If you feel as if the price is gone without you, don't worry about it. Just wait for another one. Just wait for another entry. Got 3 more 100Ks. Got 3 more 100Ks with Trader5. Today I'm gassed. Annette Ellington, well done, well done. Make sure you pass these and get a payout as well. John, where's your price at the moment? Yeah, not liking the price action here right now. Yeah, it's moving quite horrible. I'm floating 500 ticks, considering closing here. You can do. If you're floating 500 ticks, then you can do. Then how much more ticks were you really waiting for? What are you waiting for? Like if you're floating 500 from there, what are you waiting for? Another 45 ticks? Okay, no, I'm not in anything at the moment. I can't actually see an entry. I can't actually find an entry. Where are you right now, Annette? Have you been, not Annette, Akel, have you been stopped out, or has price come back into your area again? Your area of interest? Yeah, I'm up, bro. Don't like this movement. Yeah, sometimes yeah, it's just safe. You've done well. You've done very well anyway. 500 ticks. Looks like a rejection on the 5-minute. On the 30-minute, it looks like a retracement. It looks like either, if we're still pushing up, it could be a possible chance, but we need some confirmation of some nice candle closures, not just this. I don't like the price action, to be honest with you. ISK, I only trade New York now. Yeah, that's cool, man. That's what, sometimes you just got to like find one and stick to it. Akel, yes, I'm in profit. Akal wants something like this. You want something like that, don't you? The price just reacts here and then continues pushing down. That's what you want, but it all depends on what the market's actually trying to do, because on the 15-minute time frame it looks like this was a retracement on the 15 minutes and price may continue pumping. Because look, on the 15-minute time frame you got this. So possibly, one, it was a retest. Two is a fair value gap. So if price kept pumping up from here, it might just go now. It might just go all the way up and hit John's take profit area. Tawanga, hey bro, I'm back. Nice to meet you, Tawanga. Good morning. Good morning, bro. But yeah, that what I showed earlier is what Akal needs right now. Akal needs this. She needs this. That's what Akal needs. So let's see if price is going to give Akal what she wants. Ended up half passing my account but blew it today. Oh god, it was horrible price action today. Where did you take an entry? And what type of entry were you looking? Were you looking for a buy or a sell? This is the danger zone for Akal. This little blue marked out area here. If price keeps tapping here, that means it's just collecting liquidity to push to the upside, or it's just going to consolidate and keep pushing down. But it's a probabilities game. So if it's part of your game plan, go for it. If it's not part of your game plan, don't go for it. I'm praying for Akal now. Don't want the high taken anymore. John, because you'll be like, oh damn, I could have just waited and I would have got my extra 50 ticks. But the thing is, we're at all-time high, so you just don't know what price might do. Yeah, so unpredictable. So unpredictable. So sometimes you just got to enter from where you feel it makes sense to enter from. Not just like a random entry. But like, I don't mind missing trades. I don't mind missing 10 trades in 10 days. Because I know all I need is about 7 or 8 days of a banging A+ entry, and I'm good for the month. So for the rest of the 10 or 12 days or 13, 14 days and I don't get a trade, I'll just miss it. But then I know for those fucking 6, 7, 8 days, if I catch one, then we're gonna go all in and just fucking ride it up to the top. So that's why I need to get onto these Tradify accounts. Everyone's hyping up Tradify at the moment. I need to get onto these Tradify accounts. I need shorts because I'm cleaning up my funded. Akal, you need to see whether price is gonna drop from here, or is it retracing from this 15-minute fair value gap and gonna continue pushing up. Asia price action killed me. Price action was horrible in all total for everything. Cavaldi Tuna. Never trade Asia. Holla me day. Thank you very much for following. Never trade Asia. No. I didn't trade New York. I was asleep. What part of the world are you from, Akel? And what time is it where you're from? Akel is looking at these big bearish candles. Needs about 10 of those. Texas, oh yeah, Texas, sorry. 3:45 a.m. Wow. Where are you from, Dan? John, I'm from UK, East Midlands area. Texas, 3:45. Wow. New York in Australia starts at 11:30 p.m. I gotta get up for work at 4:30. Yeah, I see what you mean, Cavaldi. Then you just get you get tired, man, because like fucking hell, 4:30 is really early. What do you do for a full-time job? Harry says, same, Cavaldi. Harry, where are you from? Electrician. Oh, nice. Yeah, that's TikTok not pushing my live out again. Thank you, TikTok. It just looks like I'll take everybody over to YouTube if you're going to continue doing this, because I don't like that bullshit that TikTok does. Harry from the UK but in Australia on working holiday visa. Ah, wicked. How are you finding it? And what are you doing for a full-time job? So much better than the UK. I'm a glacier. Oh, everything's better than the UK right now, man. The weather here is dud. Nightlife's gone dud. Going out, barring, clubbing, everything is just, it's just lame now. Like, you can't have jokes with people like you used to back in the days. It's just different. I think after 2020 COVID, life changed. Like, a lot of people don't see people no more. A lot of people don't talk to each other much no more. Everyone wants their own space, stay in their own environments. It's a lot of that nowadays. I've noticed that. Harry, it's winter here now. It's cold. Yeah. Winter. And when does your guys' summer start? That's true, it's freezing at the moment, definitely in the mornings. Oh, wow. Summer starts in December, that's wicked. The price is actually just chopping around in this area. It looks like it's kind of respecting that 15-minute fair value gap. You need a strong closure, strong push to the downside, and a strong candle closure. Still warmer than the UK. Is it? UK's been quite warm right now, to be fair, but that's because it is nearly summertime. Here you go. Is this fair value gap 15-minute fair value gap may have been respected. It all depends now if price keeps pumping. Oh damn, I'm sleepy today. The markets are moving just shite. Imagine if I took an entry here, but where would I be at right now? That would have been a nice scalp, innit? $500. I'm logging off anyway, bro. Breakfast and gym for me before New York. Yeah. Good one, bro. Have a nice one. You done well today, John. What's happening? MS Agile. Miss Agile. What's happening? Leroy, you managed to catch something? Akel, price is not looking good for you, girl. This is what I was saying to you guys earlier. I was saying, don't always see if price just pushes. Don't just take an entry right at the top. Wait for price to retrace into some sort of area where there looks like there will be some sort of reaction from. And this was the area here. So a lot of people entered here. Price just came back, stopped them out, but then continued going back in that same direction. George, I took my longs and bounced $500 up. Well done, Sarge. Hi, mate. Which prop firm? I'm currently on Take Profit Trader at the moment, Miss Agile. John says, I did do well. Sat up watching the World Cup, paid off. Yeah, trust me, it paid off, man. And do you know what? John, look at this. If you kept it holding, your Take Profit would have been hit as well also. Leroy, yeah, the first long. Did you catch this first? Did you catch this long here? Yeah, man. If you caught this one, I'm proud of you, bro. Mr. Giles, sorry. It's Take Profit Trader. I'm currently on Take Profit Trader. Cavaldi Tuna. Anyone got feedback or used Top 1 Futures? I have used Top 1 Futures before. They have a consistency and stuff as well. I think they're a bit more on the expensive side. Let me just have a look at their accounts. I ain't used them for a good 1 year though, but I used to use them often. Leroy saying, yeah, well done, Leroy. I love that, bro. Very good. Should have help, but can't catch them. All profit is profit. Yeah, of course, man. Sometimes you just got to take what the market gives you and run with it, because sometimes you can't easily just retrace and then just go back down. Yeah, take profit trader, Mr. Jal, that's the one. Johnson should have held. Close now. 30, 570 with 2 minis. Wow. 2 minis, yeah? Did you enter right at the bottom here? Or did you wait for price to break above here? No, bottom. Oh, wicked. 2 minis. Two minis. That's a lot of money, bro. Can't wait to get funded tomorrow, man. I can't wait to be funded. Yo, this is why they say, guys, this is why nobody listens here. This is why I tell everyone all the time, yeah, listen, when the market is going in a certain direction, stop looking for the reversal, yeah, and just take entries in areas where price is pushing up. So like if there's a pullback, look for an area where price is pushing up. There's a pullback and it's going up and you're at all-time highs, look for a retracement for price to go up. Don't look for a small retracement and price to fucking go down. Stop looking for the small move when you can catch the bigger move clearly right in front of your eyes. I fucking marked it out as usual here, and I knew Akel was hoping a price went down. I did tell her that this is the danger zone. Did say this is a 15-minute fair value gap, and if it gets respected, price will continue pushing up. And that's exactly what it did. Why did it continue pushing up? Because we were already at all-time highs. Closed at 30,624. Yeah, well, closed at 30,624. Are you still on the old contract, Leroy, or are you on the new contract? Because my price here is 30,900, 38.90, 38.50, 38.70. Yo, what's that zone called related to IOF zone? What do you mean by that zone? IOF zone, I don't understand what you mean. 2.1 above the profit earlier is another good day with the personal. Yes, man, Leroy. Yeah, old, I see how. Yeah, I thought so. It might be the old one because my price was looking totally different to what you were saying. Institutional order flow. What's that zone called? Oh, this zone that I marked out here. This little blue area down here. Oh no, that was just a 15-minute fair value gap. Institutional order flow and fair value gaps are not the same thing, though you can trade them and use them as both as confluences. So price, you can use them both together as a confluence when you're trading, but they're not the same thing. Fair value gap is just where there's an imbalance in price, where the price is pushed out too fast and price retraces into that area, taps into that price, either mitigates it fully or taps into a little bit and pushes right back out just to balance the price out to get a discounted or a premium price. Sinclair Kenya. Sincerely Kenya. I'm guessing 1 minute. Yes, this is the 1 minute time frame. We are doing higher time frame analysis, but this is the 1 minute time frame. Yo, I see. All right, bro. Yeah. Do you do order flow? Kyo, are you order flow trader? I'd love to learn order flow, bro, on top of what I do. Do you have any recommendations where to go? Kyo, that one be for you. Do you do order flow? If so, where did you learn order flow? Do you know what? There was someone that gave me bloody order flow free classes online, and they were good ones as well, but I didn't. The guy's never ever come back online again, so I can't actually get the information from him again. George, what I'll do is I'll find some and I'll give them to you next time, because I want to incorporate a bit of order flow into my trading as well. It just gives you that extra confluence, and it's fucking absolutely brilliant. But if Kyo knows, Kyo can tell us. What you trading? We're currently on Nasdaq Muckduff. Hey Muckduff, do you know McLovin? We're currently on Nasdaq, bro. What are you trading at the moment? Kyo, no, bro. I use some indicators for beginners. He's a programmer. He's willing to share on his Discord. Oh, wicked. I'll get you some free order flow material out. I love looking for some free trading materials, because everything is online for free. You can get it online for free. I'll find some good stuff, and then I'll drop you a message, Shaj. Currently at 10 a.m. guys, so I think that's going to be me done. But if anyone took this trade here, that was the trade to take all day long. This was the trade. How many pips? That trade would have been so give and take. So just say you missed it from this area here and you entered at this price here, you're looking at roughly around about 72, but you wouldn't catch the whole 72 because you'd have a take profit. So even if you said there 54, 60, even this area here 34, all depends where you took your take profit. You could took it here at the highs where the price retraced from, that would have been 34. Above it, double that price, 60. So yeah. And how much could you have made if you just risked 8? You risked roughly around about 8 micros, risked £260 or 250 or whatever, and you did 61 ticks, that you're looking at $984, roughly around about $1,000. That would have been you in and out for the day. So yeah, Leroy, hard day at work today, done for the day at the personal account New York on the Apex. Yo, I'm actually getting, thank you very much Day, thank you very much for following. I'm currently getting some brokers contacting me to promote their brokerage. They are regulated brokers, but they're offshore as well. So some countries like Australia and Singapore and stuff can't use them, but other countries can. Japan or China can't use them neither. Yeah, Leroy, I know, no offshore. But the thing is, if you're just gonna do small money with them, not massive amounts of money, just small money with them, they're giving 1 to 1,000 leverage. In the UK, we need brokers for sure. Miss Gile, you could just use your usual brokers, IC Markets, Black Bull Markets, Awanda and all the rest of them. IC and Black Bull, they do give 1 to 500, but Mr. Giles, small money, I'm talking less than $1,000. Yeah, 1 to 1,000. See, that's what excited me about it. 1 to 1,000 leverage, because then I thought, yes, if I can do some of the small trades on there, you would be making some nice profits back. Obviously, you'll be risking more money, but if you're not putting in no more than $1,000, if it's good and it works, then it would be good. But the thing is, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some of my money in first and test the waters with them and see how it works, and then I'll let other people know about it. Webbull seems not to work. IBRK and Tasty Trades are pain in the backside. Yeah, that's why you got to use the prop firms, or you use the regulated brokers. And the most regulated brokers, you can see them on TradingView anyway. If you go on TradingView and go to sign up, a lot of regulated brokers are on there, but all the good ones are on there. The ones with the best reviews. Yeah, but still offshore. But we can try out. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, with a little bit of money, you can try it out. You can try it out. As long as you don't put your life savings into it and then you can't fucking get your money back out, that's a whole different story. That's what I don't trust about offshore. But if you're putting in $500 to $1,000 or £500 to £1,000 and just make profits on that and start taking profits out, once you've made your £1,000, you've made your money back. So if you leave 1,000 in there to keep making money with, and you just every day extracting because it's a broker, keep doing it until they say no, you can't fucking take no more money out. And you be like, piss off, mate, I've already fucking taken all my profits out from here. So yeah, don't ever put a lot of money or your life savings into an offshore account. Yeah, that's where you have to be very careful, guys. Chowdhury Haider Ali, what time you start your live every day? Chowdhury Haider Ali, I start my live every day at 8:30 a.m. GMT London session. So that's 8:30 a.m. GMT till now, till 10 o'clock. Then I lock it off, have about a 2-hour break, and then I come back on at 12 pre-New York session. Yes, our area allows PU Prime Broker. Sorry, but you need more money for tickers like MNQ ES 500. Yes, that's right. Yeah, then we come back on at 12 o'clock pre-New York session, and we stay on for a couple of hours again, or hour and a half or an hour, whatever, before New York Open. Then I'm out. Yeah, so that's every day, Monday to Friday. But I am at some point just gonna start doing all right, bro, I'll DM you something that might be of interest, bro. If it's something to do with PU Prime, I'm already with PU Prime at the moment. I'm currently testing the waters with those guys because I've seen a lot of very, very, very bad negative reviews. So I'm trying to figure out if I can get payouts from them. So that's what I'm at the moment. Message from Rise, payout. Get the payout, lad. User, I'm not currently trading now. That's me in and out, done for the day. I'm not actually taking a full long trade like this today, but I did call it out But the thing is, the reason I never took it is because I'm already on my funded stage now. I've passed. I'm waiting for my funded account tomorrow that they should give me, and then I'm live. Oh, is it? All right, bro. Sure. I'll check out the reviews at the moment. Yeah, so I went on to the Trustpilot reviews. The reviews were so fucking bad. And people talking about losing so much money. So what I've actually gone and done is I've spoke to the company themselves, because they're doing some big work at the moment. And online research, I said they've got more than 700,000 clients. So I'm doing a bit of research. I'm going to try and figure out what's going on with them and their company, and then I'm going to see by investing my own money into them to see if they are legit. And then if they're legit, then I will tell you guys, okay guys, do it, they pay out. If they don't fucking pay me out and I lose my money, that way at least you guys here don't lose your money. That way I've tested the waters for you. Roy, that are the best message. Yo, is it, bro? Sure. Yeah, but anyway, guys, I'm out for now. And what we'll do, we'll catch up again later on today. I'll see how it is around about 12 p.m. GMT. I'll see what the market's moving like. I may come back online again today. I may not. But if I'm online, I'll catch you later. If I'm not, then happy trading, because I'm waiting for my funded account, you see. So I can't trade till I got my funded account. If I can come on, I'll jump on. Yeah. Cool, guys. I'll see you later. Have a good rest of the day, evening, afternoon, good night, good morning, wherever you are in the world. And I'll see you again probably in a couple of hours. Peace out. No worry, Miss Ajal. Thanks. Leroy, catch you later. Otherwise, speak you on Telegram. Yeah, sure, bro. Sure. Otherwise, I'll catch you on Telegram, bro. See you later, guys.